If you're thinking about a junior suite on Mariner of the Seas, this video is for you.
Take a look at cabin 9258. It's a junior suite on Mariner of the Seas. So you walk in and you notice the extra space, no doubt. The full length mirror right here, the bed with the pillow topper mattress. Let's hope it's as comfortable as Princess was last month. That was my most comfortable. You see, one thing that does come in junior suites or above is the Lavazza coffee maker with some tea and coffee here for you to make in the morning. You do notice that this is an older ship, and that's okay. It's a clean cabin. And I think the difference between the grand suite and the junior suite is, in the cabin at least, is there is the island there and one more chair and a double balcony. So we do get a little more space on our balcony. So let's go take a look at that balcony. We are at Galveston today. This door, everybody, this may be the heaviest balcony door I've ever experienced in 22 cruises now. So this is the balcony. You see the doors here, there's actually handles in case you were traveling with a group in a connecting room or you wanted to open them up, you could actually have a larger balcony. But this isn't bad at all. A couple of chairs and a table where we can enjoy some coffee out here. And this is the port of Galveston. Let's go check out the rest of the cabin. So this is not a sofa bed. This is a love seat. There we go. This is a love seat. It does not open up to a bed. This nice little chair with ottoman and tons of storage here. This is very interesting to me that this is the only TV in the room for a room that is this size. So it doesn't really add up. Royal Caribbean, you've got to do better than that. But tons of space. There's plugs here. Okay, guys, we're happy to see you. That is wonderful. If you wanted to know, this is my first cruise as Emerald status. And if you wanted to know what you get in your room for Emerald status, it is 2 bottles of water per adult in the cabin. So that's what 44 cruise nights will get you. I think it's, I'm not sure what number it is for Emerald. We'll put it up on the screen. 2 bottles of water. That's why I've cruised so much, for those 2 bottles of water in the room. But yeah, the chair, tons, like I said, tons of storage. This is where the cooler is. Cooler, not a refrigerator, just a cooler. And more storage. There's 2 doors here. One in this cabin has a walk-in closet. So I think you could fit a 3rd guest in this one. This is the size of some interior cabins. So walk-in closet, nice. And then the bathroom. So yes, this is not a brand new ship, and you can definitely tell when you step back into time with this bathroom. So the shelves, definitely dated, but you still got the shelves. The newer ships have a more open feel to them with these cabinets. But yes, definitely dated, but clean. So this is everything you need. A little bit larger than a regular cabin's bathroom. And then the suites do have a tub, which I'm not thrilled about. I could definitely use one of the newer showers on ships, but anyway, this is the bathtub on board. You have your Salt and Breeze amenities with the shampoo, conditioner, and soap. And so that's the bathroom.
We hope you enjoy your time on Mariner of the Seas. Check out the description below for cruise gear and check out these videos for more travel tips from Soar.